I love you. Tell her that. I love you. When I watch this back, just know that I love you.
Now I'ma tell the world, tell them. I'ma tell it everywhere I go. Tell the world, tell them. Yeah, I'm a billboard.
Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. I'm at good old. I got this one. Another time, man. Excuse me. They don't know where MELICASKYLIFE in the building. You order them. Guys, I'm at KC unscrupulously. Just eat one zinger. But I buy something else. I'm not gonna eat. And for somebody else. Now we're showing out in a few. I'm so excited. Low key, like emotional, low key, but I not get emotional because I don't want them to get emotional. Guys, I love to cry, like seriously. So I'm gonna get them KC coming out and like KC barbecue, and then me get myself on barbecue zinger. You don't know, like guys, tag KC. They need to sponsor me. I need to be a brand ambassador. I love barbecue zinger. Should not be eating because I started back my fitness journey. I was in the gym on Saturday, you know, getting this body right. You don't know, guys, follow me on Skylife Fitness Solution. That's my business page where I sell belly gun and exercising belts and stuff like that. I'm so excited. We're doing so good over there. Just came from the post office, ship off some orders, some international orders and stuff. I do a lot of local orders too through zip mail. A lot of people don't utilize the zip mail in Jamaica, and it's so easy, user friendly and cost effective. If you have a local business, utilize zip mail. Them eyes here ever unscrupulously embarrass me. Yeah, if you have a local business and you want to ship to the 14 parishes, like utilize zip mail. It's like $300 to the post, and then now if it's to a home in the Kingston area, it's just $600. So it's worth it. You can utilize it. But just don't devour the thing. I got Tropicana and ginger beer. Don't know if I really drink soda and stuff. So that's what we're doing now. I've just been busy on the fitness channel on Instagram because growing so fast, getting a lot of inquiries, delivery orders to ship out and stuff, and then you guys know the journey with belly gun from day one. So I'm just so excited about that I can come to you guys now and say, you know, I'm doing this with belly gun and we're doing that and stuff like that. So yeah, like you guys are a testament that like that stuff is good. The power I do to me. So my day are going with on the person. I'm feeling emotional. Baby, I love you. I love you so much. You know? I love you. Tell her that. I love you. When I watch this back, just know that I love you. So I'll check back in with you guys when I'm where I'm supposed to be.
What up, dog girl?
Why number plane they say? 270? 270? 270, Florida.
Yeah.
Let me chat foolishness. She not record from when they come. Yeah, from when me not vlog early on. Girl in our Skylife t-shirt.
Representing, you know?
For the team. We're out here. Stephanie's leaving me, my baby. I know, say 270, me see it already. Where? Never asked her. Where?
This is 7.
No, Baltimore. Baltimore. Hi. No, yeah, go Stephanie. No. Eh? We have if Florida this or Baltimore. She go on 270.
It don't matter.
Anyone?
Airline.
Okay.
What's that way? The airline.
Okay. Come here, Sister Stephanie. What this? What this? Yes, it. Oh. Maybe she gonna need the How much? Then I'll take the card off this off. The card off this off.
Only the number we can hear. That's
Yeah,
why
play
we
card.
do it online, but she said she couldn't do it online because then she have to come up here from transfer.
Stephanie, make them swipe the C bag up this off. Yeah? Then go ask if you pay for your bag.
For online? Which other piece? Because I have a second piece. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you take the first time.
My mom. Yes. But me never fret. Me never that fret because I go to somebody when I know.
She have a first time.
Punki's traveling alone, my God. I'm so sad. I'm not cry because
Come in there, vlog.
I can't come. I can't come. So guys, I really wanted to fly with Stephanie for the first time, but unfortunately, I don't know, somebody just come from Friday, my dear. Could go again. I'm emotional about it. No, I love my sister dearly. Gone, left me.
You go like she now come back.
Why Punki in her slippers?
So what that do?
She go cold on the plane.
She have socks.
Red slippers. You soon come and then deal with that. That baby's leaving. Guys, Punki never left her yard, but no yet overnight. She always come home at the end of the day. So she leaving for so long. She ate me up wicked, man. Auntie, she ate me up wicked. And Punki went emotional this morning. But I vlog her from morning, but she was crying and stuff. And then, now my bally and so I can't manage it. So I just say, so I go back and vlog her. Auntie. Guys, I'm just so, I can't bother. I don't think I understand how I feel because like my sister, when I go home in the evenings, like we have a mad conversation every single day. Not every single day, when she already shows me that. But Punki now come home can't say Punki. Shit no provide, man. So I deal with something and check that thing. So guys, Punki gone in. When we run this out tear up.
Catch her up on it.
Let's see, but she give up. I don't know, like she hit me up just a while ago. No, you know why? Because Punki they go in the sun, she a breakdown. I'm done talk to her, so I'm but I breakdown. I see my sister breakdown, I just have a breakdown and stuff. She gonna put on my car stuff then. I'm gonna call her on the phone and she done. Then I done this. Guys, so emotional. I can't manage it.